Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my toy review of the s.h.f Figuarts Kamen Riders Kuuga Rising Titan. Oh yeah, this is another exclusive figure by Bandai. So let's open the brown box to show you. Come on! The figure. So this is Kamen Rider Kuuga Rising Titan. It is in a purple box, and you can see the matrix lines of Kamen Rider Kuuga, and it says here Kuuga, Bandai Collector Shop, Toy, s.h.f Figuarts, Mask Rider Kuuga, Rising Titan, Bandai, made in China, 2011. And at the back, a silhouette of Mask Rider Kuuga Rising Titan. That's all to it in terms of the box design. The exterior of the box looks neat. Let's just see the contents of Mask Rider Kuuga. So let's open this and I'll show you what he has. Instructions you don't need. Hello, as if you need those instructions. So this is Rising Titan. Let's open the plastic case first. Open! Slide everything out. There you go. Put them aside. Bring out the hands. Okay. He has like two open hands. And again, the emblem on the gauntlet is different from other rising forms. It looks like to me a crown with a sword. So that's Rising Titan to you. The other two are holding hands. And that's it. Those are the hands. And what I like about most is the detail that that Bandai gave to the Rising Titan sword. Just like Rising Dragon and Rising Pegasus, the difference would be the grongi letters that are etched on the blade, near the blade, and on the scabbard on both sides. So Bandai is generous enough to give us another sword to create that double Rising Titan final attack. I forgot what it is, but that's neat. So let's move on to Rising Titan. Rising Titan. Why am I saying like it's Kamen Rider Kuuga Rising Po? I'm talking gibberish. Articulation points, and it's just like the other forms of Kamen Rider Kuuga. Neck joint, head joint. So every time you lift the head, you can actually see the gap between the neck and the head. Just what's going on? What's going on with you? Purple compound eyes. Shoulder pads to flip up and down. Shoulder articulation. It doesn't have a upward motion for the arm articulation because it's hindered by the huge shoulder pads. Double jointed elbow, swiveling arm, torso articulation. The belt is not, the arcle is not independent from the waist, so you can't move that from left to right. It seems like he has waist articulation, but in fact it's only the torso moving from left to right. The joint on the crotch area, same as Kamen Rider Kuuga Mighty Form. Double jointed knee as expected, and a hinge and a hinge and a hinge. Foot design, same nice possibilities, but again there's some limitation on the arms because of the huge shoulder pads. Although you can lift those up, it looks awkward because there's a certain angle of on the shoulder pads that you don't like and you don't want to see really. So it doesn't leap or jump, so you don't really need to do that. All you have to do is just replace the holding hand, and I mean the default fist stance, and replace it with the holding hand so he can wield the sword. Oops, wrong hand! Holding hand, I told you it's a wrong hand. There. And ta-da! He wields the sword. It holds well, but since this is an old S.H. Figuarts hand design, it doesn't have like a groove inside, so it would secure the sword on his holding hand. That has been changed in the next few S.H. Figuarts figures, that most of the holding hands have like grooves and inside, so any weapon that the figure wields, or any weapon that the figure wields, would really hold well on any Kamen Rider. So the only reason why you're getting Rising Titan is because you don't have a ground form of the Rising Titan, and of course, if you are a completist S.H. Figuarts and a Kuuga fan, definitely you really want to have Rising Titan. Aesthetically, he really looks nice. The paint apps, the purple paint apps, and the gold lines on most of the edges of Kamen Rider Kuuga looks nice and looks neat, and he really looks badass and very regal looking. But the lack of needed accessories for Kamen Rider Kuuga is much less than the the mighty form. The only reason, as I mentioned, is because you're a completist and you love Kamen Rider Kuuga. So if you can get one, go ahead. It's still out there in the market as of this video, and it's a nice collection to the whole S.H. Figuarts line. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for the full return view. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much, and slash Kuuga.